Hey everybody, thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the watermark up there or the subscribe button down there, and have fun.
Here's a quick video on ladder maintenance. I have quite a few ladders. I got a lot of these. Well, I've got a few of these 6-foot ladders, and you know they're not throwaway ladders. They're $50 or so. So I had a recent failure with this one. I'm not a lightweight guy, and I hopped up on this ladder a little quickly, and it collapsed where it had been bent. I don't know what bent it, but it had gotten bent on the lower part of the leg here, below the steps, and I guess it kind of crimped. And when I got on it too fast one day, it collapsed, creasing and breaking off while bending. It bent this whole base inward, and I just pulled it back and broke it off. And you can see how I've repaired it, and I just wanted to show that. I didn't do a video of the actual repair because you can see what I've done. I've just taken a piece of treated 2x and cut it to size. It's I don't know, 2.5 inches maybe here, and I cut it to the angle of the foot, cut it to fill this whole area, and that reinforces and scabs together the lower broken off part and the main ladder, and it's treated. And I will probably go ahead and reinforce the other side because it's pretty lightweight aluminum, and this side stresses right here. You can see it once it's already bent. So there you go, ladder repair 101. I may have this ladder for another 10 years. I just don't like to throw these things away. The cost of materials these days and tools. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.